All right, you voted for it. Las Calaveras 2024 by Crowned Heads. Hey everyone, I'm Dave with Beast Made Reviews, of course the channel dedicated to reviewing quality at different price points. And thank you for visiting my second channel here. Alright, Crowned Heads is a brand I really love. Every time they make a new blend, it seems like they just hit it just right. I really like what they do. Now of course I don't love everything they make, but a lot of their blends I think are really good. Las Calaveras is one of those blends that is a limited release every year. And of course earlier in the year they announced this year's version. Now you know I'm a big fan of my cigar pack and all the cigars that they offer. One of the subscriptions that they offer is the Elite Pack, which is kind of one of their middle tiers of subscription services. And recently I did a poll on YouTube asking which one of the Elite cigars from August you would like me to review, and this one won. And thank you for that. We'll do more polls on this channel, so stay tuned for that. I had heard a lot of really mixed things about this cigar. Some people like it, and some people really thought it was just okay or very mediocre. So I wanted to try it out for myself and see what it was like anyway, so I'm really glad that you guys voted for it. And of course, if you like this type of content, feel free to subscribe down below. I think you'll really like it here. And of course, this is my second channel here. My main channel is up there. You can go and subscribe to Beast Made Reviews up there. I review a whole bunch of stuff there. I think you really like it there too. And if you're interested in this at all, I can't link to it on YouTube, but you can go to my website and I have more information there. I'll have a link down below to my website. You can go and check that out there. Now these are made in Nicaragua at the My Father Cigar Factory, and the size that I have here is a 6x48, or what they call the LC48. And I think they offer this in another size as well, but this is the only size that I have. The wrapper is an Ecuadorian Habano Oscuro, binder is Nicaraguan, and the filler is Nicaraguan. Now straight away, the appearance of this is okay. It's a medium brown, it's kind of bumpy and veiny, but I really like the bands on this. I know I'm always a sucker for just the artwork. And the pre-light smell, just smelling the cigar, is a sweet hay and cocoa. Now my cigar actually cracked a little bit on the foot there, but it ended up being okay. The burn ended up being just fine. Now right away when I light this up, there are some peppery notes that just hit immediately. Then there's some coffee and I guess some nuttiness. It seems almost like peanuts, and a hint of leather in there as well. There's a beautiful semi-sweet note in here. It's a very balanced cigar, to me anyway. I would say as far as body, this is in the medium, maybe medium plus category. The spice eventually dies down and then some milk chocolate comes up. And then towards the last half, I get a little bit of cherry as well, which is really nice and very pleasant. It's a very pleasant and enjoyable cigar with a very good draw and a very good smoke output as well. I think overall this is a very good cigar. It's almost a safe cigar in some ways, and I don't mind that. I think there is a time and place for that. Not every cigar has to be mind-blowing. I think really the flavor notes are really there for most of the life of the cigar. There's not really a whole lot of change other than the small changes toward the last half. Other than that, I think it's a very good cigar. Plays it a little bit safe, but I think that's all right for maybe a go-to cigar. I think this is a great suggestion for someone who likes Crowned Heads, that wants to try something new from them, that wants to support what they're doing with the Las Calaveras line. And though this probably isn't a special occasion cigar, not every cigar has to be like that. Sometimes you just want to go for something that is a good go-to, and I think this is one of those cigars. It's definitely a cigar that I like and that I would try again. I probably wouldn't buy a box and might not buy a 5-pack, so for me, I would definitely buy another one. But what do you think about it? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you again. I'll see you next time. I'm Dave with Beast Made Reviews.